This video, we learn how to make a project and save a file in Autodesk Inventor 2025. This procedure is very important for securing your drawings. So we're going to see how to open an Inventor, create a new project, and then open a new components file and save it in the active project. So the first thing you do is there are three dots on the top left hand corner when you open the software. So if you click on those three dots, it takes you to settings, and then you're going to see a page like this one on which you click on the new at the bottom, and it will go to new single user project, and then you press next on the previous screen, and then add a file name, and then locate your folder wherever you want it to be on your computer. This is very important because you shouldn't lose your files. Then get a project name. You need to put something which makes sense. So put your project name. If you have OneDrive, that would be the best, and then you say finish action. So having created that folder, you're going to see the folder ticked in the left corner there, and then you click on done to exit, and that will be the active folder for you to save any file. So if you now open the new for a new file, you're going to see that you can open a file now. Check that the file reads correctly. Down you're going to see your project file, and then following this procedure, start here, choose the component template, check that the file goes in the right project, and then you can create to start drawing, and that takes you straight away into the 3D environment, and the next page will give you the plans.